Yo guys, what up? So I'm packing for the place I wanted to go for a long time, and we're finally doing it. Let's go. All right, so as you guys probably saw by the thumbnail, we're going to Great Wolf Lodge. Hold up. Yo, okay guys, so this is about to be whatever it's called, packed. Okay, ready? I'm gonna do the transition. Wait. It's packed, guys. Woohoo! All right, let's go to Emily and see where we're going. It's pretty shitty. I already told you guys, but where are we going?
Great Wolf Lodge.
When?
Tomorrow. Shut up, Cody.
That's rude. Ooh. All right, guys. It's the next morning. It's currently 9:17, so see you guys when we're on our way there. Okay, guys, we're on our way to Great Wolf Lodge, so see you when we're there. Okay, guys, we're in the parking garage right now, so see you guys in our hotel. 765, and it's kind of weird because you have to open it with this. Watch. Oh. There we go. Okay, once you walk in, you see our bags and stuff, the sink. There's me. What's up? Let's get it. This is the bathroom. Yeah, all that, shower, and we have some popcorn machine, safe, bed, and all of these is like extra pillows, and there's a Holy Bible right there, and then that's a blanket in here, and that's me and my sister's bed, and that's my mom's, and then that's a couch, and then that's a table, and look at the view we got. It's pretty dope. All right, see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, so we just got back from the water slides. It's the next day. I'll see you guys when we're back down in the lobby one. We're gonna be getting lunch, so yeah. Alright guys, so we just finished eating lunch. It's kind of really loud in here, but we're gonna go play mini golf, me and my sister, so yeah, let's see who wins. Okay guys, we're in the wait, don't go yet. We're playing golf right now, but look at that. That looks cool. Freaking cool. Alright, Emily's gonna hit first. Don't hit it hard. Oh, it's over here. All right, your turn to record me. You only get one shot. Stay right there, Emily.
Oh,
And go record over there. Like that, yeah, just like that. All right, you ready? Dang it. Okay.
Whoa, look at our passes.
I know. I won the first one, I guess. There you go.
We're gonna win. No. I get to hit
Hurry.
it. Can I move it? No.
Ooh, you're so close. Watch, she's gonna break it. Okay, so we're going to the Hollywood thingy. So we tied in golf 4-4. Dude, there was this trick shot. I could not get it through. It was hard. But we have to wait for a couple of turns. There's a bowling alley we're gonna go to later, so yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. It ain't my fault.
It ain't my fault.